Hello everyone, let me first of all give you my introduction. My name is Amit Kumar Agarwal. I have done my CCI in routing, switching, service provider and data center domain. My total work experience is 12 plus years. So this video is regarding Cisco 3-layer hierarchical design model. This is very general design suggested by Cisco for the legacy networking environment. So in Cisco 3-layer architectural design, we have 3 layers: access layer, distribution layer, and core layer. So under access layer, we have layer 2 switching, port security, STP, high availability feature configured. Under distribution layer, we configure the routing part, and the core layer is basically for backbone. It's a high speed data processing links, you can say. So the main benefit of this Cisco 3-layer hierarchical design is to divide the complete network into 3 different logical parts, and whenever you face any problem in your network environment, you can easily identify which part of the network is creating problem, and you can start your troubleshooting from that part only. So this can help you to reduce your troubleshooting time and provide the faster resolution. Okay. So if we see the key features of core layer, you can see it's a high performance through switching, provide reliability and fault tolerance, scalability as well, avoid CPU intensive packet manipulating task, like here we are not doing any QoS or any packet inspection, nothing is done at core layer. Okay, the key feature of distribution layers are LAN WAN. We are configuring policy based routing, access list, filtering, routing between VLANs, redundancy, load balancing, summarizations. All things are taken care by the distribution layer. So you can say the devices which are part of the distribution layer, they are very busy, so their capacity should be good, and the CPU, memory, all should be, you have to check before the implementation according to your traffic requirement. The key feature of access layer is layer 2 switching, high availability, port security, and quality of service classification and marking. So actually the end devices, means server, PC, laptops, all these devices are connected with access layer switch. Generally they are layer 2 switches, but yes, in sub scenario you can put layer 3 devices as well. Now if we talk about the Capex and Opex regarding this layer 3 hierarchical design, so few of the customer thinks that this is very costly. So what they do, they will mix up the access layer and distribution layer, right? So in their environment they have only 2 layers, which are access plus distribution, and second one is the core layer. So this way you can save your money in terms of capex, because you don't need to buy extra devices for access layers, because distribution and access layers are now merged, but they have their own drawbacks as well. Cisco always suggesting to have 3-layer architecture for your network implementation if we talk about the legacy network. But in today's environment we are using SDN, software defined networking solution, which is ACI solution. In that we have only 2-layer design, and the name of the switch is called leaf and spine architecture, right? So I'll discuss in my further upcoming videos about the tier 2 designs, the new design suggested by Cisco, and I will show you one configuration example as well for this Cisco 3-layer hierarchical design. So I hope now you are able to understand that why they divided the complete environment into 3 different parts, right? First of all, at which layer what work is happening, and if let's suppose something bad happen in routing, then you will not start your troubleshooting from access layer, you will start your troubleshooting from the distribution layer onwards, right? So it reduces the number of devices on which you have to log in and check the routing, right? And you will be more specific about the name of the devices where you will log in and try to isolate the problem as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.